How you doing, guys? Today we have 2012 Chevy Equinox. Customer have a broken switchblade key, and we're gonna create a brand new one, and we'll show you how to cut and program. Let's get started. So the first thing, we're gonna take the original key and we're gonna put it inside the clamp. This is a SEC E9 key machine, pretty affordable and easy to use. I'm gonna attach it to the second thread among the 3 threads, and I'll show you how to work it out. We're gonna go to the main page. We're gonna go to search, and we're gonna look for a blank AGU 100. Now, because it's a SUV, we're gonna do 8 cuts. 10 cuts is only for pickup trucks and vans. So we're gonna hit the code, and the machine is going, I didn't change it to the second thread, so we're gonna change the picture, second thread, and hit the code. So now the machine is gonna decode the key, and we're gonna check it out, and then we can cut the new one. So I always like, after I finish the coding, to remove the key and check the original key next to the picture and make sure that the numbers make sense, that the machine didn't mess up and everything looks fine. So we're going to take the new key, we're going to slide it to the second thread as well, and then we can just hit cut on the machine. We're going to speed up the cutter and hit first cut and make sure everything is clean, and close the lid. When finished cutting the first side, we can open it up and clean the metal shavings out of the key. And then we can flip it over, put it back inside the machine, and cut the second side of the key. And hit second cut and close the lid. When it finished cutting the second side, we can clean up all the metal shavings, and we can go and test it in the door, and then I'll show you how to program. By the way, if you like those videos, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see my daily videos. So this key turns very nice and easy on the door. So now I'm going to show you how to program it. You don't even need a computer to do that. If you have one working key, all you need to do is to put the original key, the working key, on the on position for 5 seconds until the security light is off, and I'll show you how. So take the original key, put it on position, and look for the security light. It's an orange light, but you can't see it, so I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to take the key out, I'm going to put the original inside, leave it on for 5 seconds until the orange light over there turns off. When it turns off, within 10 seconds, you need to remove the key, put the new one on position, and wait 5 seconds until the security light turns off. When the security light turns off, that's it. Everything should work fine. Let's test it out. It's that easy. You don't need any machines to do the programming. Don't forget to like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I love to answer those. I'm gonna go outside of the vehicle, and we're gonna test it also from outside of the car. Hey, yeah, just give me 1 second, okay?
Yeah, you're good, bro. You're good.
Everything works the way it should. I'm sorry for the phone call. And also, you have a remote start. In order to do the remote start, you need to lock twice and then hold the remote start. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.